Serious question. If an alligator eats you or one of your limbs, do you still have to pay the $500 fine? Welcome to Florida, where everything wants to kill you. Everyone knows about alligators, or at least should. After I shot this video back in 2017, I went back and counted all the alligators in that one single pond. There were 50 of them. That's 4,000 teeth. Welcome to the beach. 19 million tourists visit Florida beaches every year. Did you know that of the 5,000 dermatologists practicing in the United States, 1 in 10 of them practice right here in Florida? It's where the sun is. And melanoma. I really should get this looked at. Plus there are jellyfish, lionfish, mercury fish, stingrays, barracudas, and sharks. Half of all unprovoked shark attacks in the United States and a quarter of them in the world happen right here in Florida. And as long as we're here at the beach, there are riptides, red tides, king tides, and hurricanes. Florida has been hit by twice as many hurricanes as the number 2 state on the list, Texas. 120 of the 292 hurricanes since 1851 have made landfall in Florida. And did you know that hurricanes spread fire ants like all over the place? That sucks because I'm their favorite flavor. Yeah, Florida has fire ants, fire coral, and coral snakes. Florida has 6 species and all 4 types of venomous snakes you'll find in the United States. In addition to coral snakes, there are copperheads, cottonmouths, diamondback rattlers, pygmy rattlers, and timber rattlers. That's 3 flavors of rattlesnake. And they probably all taste like chicken, except for the pygmy rattler, may taste like a Cornish game hen. And if that isn't enough, people have had exotic pets like cobras escape, and they've turned pet Burmese pythons loose in the Everglades when the snakes got too big to keep in the house. The state of Florida also sponsors python hunts in the Everglades. They pay a bounty on anything over 4 feet long that you bring in dead. It's $50 for that first 4 feet, $25 for each foot after that. The record came to $425 in 2023. Doing the math for you, that one was 19 feet long. The snake was as long as a giraffe is tall. Then there's something called the manchineel tree that lurks in the mangroves. Every part of it, bark, leaves, fruit, is toxic. Stand under it in a rainstorm and it can blister your skin and burn away parts of your eyeballs. Speaking of thunderstorms, Florida gets up to 100 days a year with lightning. Florida has the highest lightning density of any state, 285 lightning bolts per square mile in 2022. And it's led the nation in lightning deaths since 2006. And it's not just big things. Little things can kill you in Florida. Things like viruses and bacteria. There's dengue fever, flesh-eating bacteria, malaria, and leprosy. Leprosy? I guess because we're in the Bible Belt. Then there's the most famous thing in the Sunshine State, Florida Man. Take a minute and Google Florida Man followed by your birthday, and you'll find lots of ideas to not do on your next birthday. Hey, if you watch this long, you might as well subscribe for more fun travel videos. I promise they get better. Hit the like button and be sure to share this, especially with all your friends who did not invite you on their Florida vacation. I'm Tex Turner. Stay tuned.